Hi traders, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be having a look at GOMarkets. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. GOMarkets is a globally recognized online trading broker that has been providing innovative financial solutions to traders since 2006. With a strong presence in the industry, the company is known for its commitment to delivering competitive trading conditions, including tight spreads, fast execution, and comprehensive trading tools. Catering to traders of all levels, GOMarkets also provides educational resources, dedicated customer support, and a secure trading environment underpinned by stringent regulatory oversight. GOMarkets has established itself as a trusted broker for traders seeking reliability and performance in the fast-paced world of online trading. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments, providing traders with access to global markets. These instruments include Forex, CFDs, indices, metals, commodities, and cryptocurrency CFDs. With more than 50 currency pairs and a selection of CFDs across different asset classes, traders can diversify their portfolios and explore various market opportunities. GOMarkets ensures competitive spreads, flexible leverage, and reliable execution, making it an ideal platform for those looking to engage in multi-asset trading. GOMarkets is a fully regulated online trading platform, ensuring that clients trade in a secure and transparent environment. As a global broker, GOMarkets adheres to strict regulatory standards set by respected financial authorities, providing traders with the confidence that their funds and trades are handled with integrity and oversight. This includes regulation from the Financial Services Commission of Mauritius, and by maintaining high regulatory standards, GOMarkets ensures that traders receive a fair and safe trading experience, backed by robust security measures and regulatory oversight. The broker also offers various bonuses and promotions designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. These include a high-volume rebates program as well as a referral partnership program. Their high-volume rebates program is designed for active traders who generate significant trading volumes and seek additional rewards for their trading activities. This program offers traders the opportunity to earn rebates based on the amount of trading they conduct, providing an added incentive for those who trade frequently. Traders who meet specific trading volume thresholds can qualify for rebates, which are credited directly into their accounts. These rebates serve as a way to reduce trading costs and enhance overall profitability. The more a trader engages in the market, the greater the potential rebate they can earn. Their referral partnership program offers individuals and businesses a lucrative way to earn rewards by introducing new traders to the platform. This program is designed for those looking to expand their income potential by leveraging their network and recommending GOMarkets as a trusted platform. The program provides competitive commissions, easy-to-use tracking tools, and real-time access to referral statistics. Partners also benefit from GOMarkets' strong reputation, cutting-edge trading technology, and a wide range of financial products, making it easier to attract new traders. Additionally, partners receive dedicated support to ensure their success in the program. GOMarkets offers a variety of advanced trading platforms to meet the needs of traders at every level. These include the popular MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms, which are both renowned for their user-friendly interfaces, advanced charting tools, and automated trading features. Both platforms are supported on desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring flexibility and convenience for traders. The broker also offers the CTrader trading platform, which is designed for traders seeking a sophisticated trading experience with advanced features. CTrader provides powerful charting tools, fast execution, and intuitive order management. It is particularly suited for traders using algorithmic strategies, thanks to its C-Algo feature, which allows for custom trading algorithms and automated trading. With a sleek and user-friendly interface, C-Trader supports multiple devices, making it a versatile option for both new and experienced traders looking to enhance their trading capabilities. The broker also provides mobile trading platforms with full access to the markets on the go. Available on both iOS and Android devices, the mobile versions of MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, as well as C-Trader, offer a seamless trading experience with real-time quotes, advanced charting tools, and instant trade execution. The platform allows users to manage their accounts, monitor market trends, and execute trades from anywhere, ensuring flexibility and convenience for traders who need to stay connected while trading on the move. The broker also offers a powerful web trader trading platform, which is designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and seasoned traders. Accessible through any web browser, GOWebTrader eliminates the need for complex installations or updates. The platform offers a clean and user-friendly interface, providing a seamless trading experience. With real-time data and advanced charting tools, traders can easily execute trades, monitor market movements, and manage their portfolios with efficiency. Additionally, GOMarkets offers a convenient and efficient copy trading service that allows traders to replicate the strategies of successful and experienced investors in real time. This feature is designed for those who may not have the time or expertise to develop their own trading strategies, but who still want to participate in the financial markets and potentially profit from the expertise of others. Through their copy trading platform, users can easily follow and automatically mirror the trades of top-performing investors. This service is fully integrated with MetaTrader as well as C-Trader, allowing for seamless execution and management of trades. Users can browse through a list of strategy providers, review their performance statistics, and select the ones that best fit their trading goals and risk tolerance. The broker's copy trading service provides an accessible way for traders to engage in the markets, leveraging the expertise of seasoned professionals while maintaining control over their investment decisions. GOMarkets offers a range of trading account types designed to meet the needs of different traders. Their account options include the Go Plus, Standard, Percentage Allocation Management Module accounts, as well as Demo and Islamic account options. Their Standard account type is designed for traders who seek a straightforward and cost-effective trading experience. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned traders, the Standard account offers a user-friendly platform with competitive spreads and no commission fees. Traders using the Standard account benefit from the broker's robust trading platform and reliable execution, making it a great choice for those who value simplicity and accessibility in their trading activities. Whether you are new to trading or looking for a dependable account to manage their investments, the Standard account meets the needs of a wide range of trading styles and preferences. The Go Plus account type is crafted for traders who seek enhanced features and superior trading conditions. Designed to offer a more advanced trading experience, the Go Plus account provides access to tighter spreads and advanced trading tools. Additionally, the Go Plus account includes premium customer support and advanced trading features, giving traders the resources and assistance they need to make informed decisions and execute their strategies effectively. The Go Plus account with GOMarkets is designed to cater to traders who demand higher trading efficiency and are looking to maximize their potential in the financial markets. The broker also offers a percentage allocation management module account, which is a powerful solution for investors and professional traders looking to benefit from collective asset management. The PAM account allows investors to allocate their funds to skilled traders who manage the pooled investments on their behalf, sharing in the profits based on the percentage of capital each investor contributes. GOMarkets' PAM account is an ideal solution for both investors seeking professional management and skilled traders looking to expand their portfolio management capabilities, delivering a mutually beneficial trading experience. The broker also provides a demo account, which is an invaluable opportunity for traders to practice and refine their trading skills without any financial risk. This account type is ideal for beginners who are new to trading, as well as experienced traders who want to test new strategies or familiarize themselves with the trading platform. With their demo account, users receive virtual funds that mirror real market conditions, allowing them to trade a wide range of financial instruments. The account offers the same features and tools as a live account, including advanced charting and real-time data, ensuring a realistic trading experience. Additionally, GOMarkets also offers an Islamic account option, which is specifically designed to accommodate traders who adhere to Islamic finance principles. The Islamic account allows traders to engage in forex, commodities, and indices trading without the concern of swap charges, which are typically applied in traditional trading accounts. This makes it an ideal choice for traders seeking to align their trading activities with their religious beliefs while still accessing the broker's advanced trading tools and features. Creating an account with GOMarkets is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage. And once on their homepage, simply click on the Open Account button. The next step would be to submit your personal information, such as your name, email address, your contact number, and create a password. After your account has been submitted and you have verified and chosen your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to choose and download your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with GOMarkets. On the left side of the dashboard, you have your market watch. You can easily switch between all of the broker's available market instruments directly from this panel. In the center of the screen, you have your chart. And at the top of the screen, a variety of tools and options such as chart types and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to the MetaTrader trading platforms, you can find a wide variety of helpful educational content online. Additionally, GOMarkets provides a variety of MetaTrader educational videos to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a range of convenient deposit and withdrawal methods to ensure a smooth and efficient trading experience for its clients. The platform supports various payment options, including credit and debit cards, bank transfers, as well as popular online payment systems. Traders can easily fund their accounts using widely accepted methods such as Visa, MasterCard, and bank transfers. Additionally, GOMarkets provides options for electronic payment services which facilitate quick and secure transactions. Deposits are typically processed promptly, allowing traders to begin trading with minimal delay. The broker also ensures a seamless withdrawal process with several methods available for clients. Withdrawals can be made using the same methods as deposits, including credit and debit cards, as well as bank transfers. The platform aims to process withdrawal requests efficiently, with processing times varying depending on the method chosen. GOMarkets prioritizes security and convenience, making sure that all financial transactions are handled with the utmost care and protection. The range of deposit and withdrawal options ensures that traders can manage their funds effectively and focus on their trading strategies without any hassles. GOMarkets provides an extensive range of educational resources to support traders at every level of expertise. Their educational offerings are designed to help clients develop their trading skills, understand market dynamics, and enhance their overall trading strategies. The broker features a diverse selection of learning materials, including detailed articles, video tutorials, and comprehensive guides. These resources cover a wide array of topics, such as market analysis, trading strategies, and the use of their trading platforms. The platform regularly hosts webinars and live trading sessions conducted by industry experts. These sessions offer valuable insights into market trends, trading techniques, and effective use of trading tools, providing traders with real-time knowledge and interactive learning opportunities. The broker's Trading Academy includes structured courses and workshops designed to build foundational knowledge and advanced trading skills. These educational programs are suitable for traders of all levels, from novices seeking basic understanding to experienced traders looking to refine their strategies. By offering these educational resources, GOMarkets aims to empower traders with the knowledge and skills needed to navigate the financial markets confidently and effectively. The broker also provides a robust suite of news and analysis tools to help traders stay informed and make well-informed trading decisions. The news and analysis resources are designed to deliver timely and relevant market information. This up-to-date information helps traders stay on top of significant events that may affect their trading strategies. The platform also offers in-depth market analysis from experienced analysts. This includes technical analysis, chart patterns, and trend forecasts that provide valuable insights into market movements. Traders can access detailed reports and commentary on various financial instruments. GOMarkets also provides an economic calendar that highlights key economic events and indicators. This tool allows traders to track important dates and times for economic releases, such as interest rate decisions and employment reports, which can influence market behavior. By offering these news and analysis resources, GOMarkets ensures that traders have access to critical information and insights needed to make informed trading decisions and navigate the complexities of the financial markets. GOMarkets has garnered significant recognition within the trading industry, earning a number of prestigious awards that highlights its commitment to excellence and innovation. Some of their most recent awards include the Most Trusted Global Forex Broker, the Best Global Forex Broker, the Best MetaTrader 4 Forex Broker, Top 100 Trusted Financial Companies, among many other awards. Overall, GOMarkets is a distinguished trading platform that offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to meet the diverse needs of traders. With its range of account types, GOMarkets provides tailored solutions to suit different trading styles and preferences. The platform's commitment to excellence is evident through its advanced trading technology, extensive educational resources, and timely news and analysis. Additionally, the broker's secure and efficient deposit and withdrawal methods, combined with its industry accolades, highlight its dedication to delivering a reliable and high-quality trading experience. For traders seeking a platform that combines innovation, support, and flexibility, GOMarkets proves to be a top choice, providing the tools and resources necessary to succeed in the dynamic world of financial trading. And that is our overview of GOMarkets. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.